Part 67 is your medical certification. So guys, what class medical do we need? Class 3. Why do we need a class 3?
Because the CAA
said so. That's right.
And they decided.
That's right.
That's where you're gonna be.
Yeah, boy. That's literally it. Okay, the CAA decided that we need class 3. So we're like, okay, cool, that's great. That means we don't need to do class 2 or class 1. Okay? All other pilots need to do at least a class 2. Us as RPCs are the only pilots that can do a class 3. Okay? ATC stands for what? Good. Air traffic controllers. So if you are one of those people that goes and sits in a tower at an aerodrome and you navigate air traffic, you need a class 3 medical. Air traffic service assistant is AT, you can sum it up to ATSU, air traffic service unit. Okay, you're going to see that abbreviation a lot, your ATSU. Alright. And then your RPC, remote pilot certificate. The one that we are doing now. Okay. Here is the medical validity period. If you are under 40 years old and you are healthy, you have 4 years of a valid medical. You go and you do it now, it's going to last until 4 years from now. Okay. If you are unhealthy, they might just give you a 2-year instead of a 4-year. And if you're really unhealthy, they're going to not allow you the medical, and you're going to have to go and work on your health and then come back. Okay. But ultimately, if you're below 40, it's 4 years. If you are between the ages of 40 and 50, it is 2 years. And if you are over 50, it is 1 year.